So for more, we are now joined by Bloomberg's equities reporter, Stephanie Hughes, to break down some of the big movers today. Stephanie, as we were just talking about gold prices soaring, and we're seeing that IAmGold Corporation shares jumped more than 9% at one point today. What's driving that?
Hey, Lindsay. Yeah, good to see you. So that's because the shine is really returning to precious metals. So IAmGold shares have gained by over 10% actually at its highest point today, which marked its biggest intraday advance since November. And it's gaining on the back of rising gold prices, which have returned to their to above the 5,000 an ounce mark as dip buyers are returning to the market after a very volatile week for precious metals. So the question for some market strategists is whether this is just a reactive bounce or if it could move into a really sustained gain for precious metals. And so obviously, despite that setback we've seen in recent weeks, gold has still really been on a tear over the past year, just this roaring ascent, primarily driven by geopolitical uncertainties that are causing this flock to safe haven assets. And then, of course, the Federal Reserve cutting interest rates, which benefits an asset like gold, which doesn't pay interest. So alongside IAmGold, which had been the top performer on the TSX earlier today, we are also seeing Orla Mining, which you mentioned as another TSX-listed metals miner that's gaining, First Majestic Silver and others, Lindsay.
Yeah, a lot were gaining, but on the flip side, though, Vizsla Silver Corporation, that stock price was at its lowest level in about 4 months today. So what happened there?
Yeah, it's a much different metals mining story and a very unfortunate one at that. Vizsla Mining, or Vizsla Silver, I should say, those shares fell by nearly 16% at its lowest point. That brought the stock price to its lowest level since September. It was also by far the worst performer on the TSX today, and that's because the metals miner said that some of the people that were kidnapped from its Panuco project last month have been found deceased, according to the company said, using statements from some family members. And the company is awaiting confirmation from said it was awaiting confirmation from Mexican authorities. And CEO Michael Connor said that the focus is on the safe recovery of some of the individuals who are still missing during this difficult time. So to catch viewers up to speed, in January, the company said that 10 people were taken from one of the mines in Mexico in a security incident that affected the company and obviously the individuals who work there. And since then, since the company reported this last month, the shares have fallen over 30%, still well into the green on a one-year basis, but obviously the stock price and company is feeling the effects of this incident, Lindsay.
Yeah, share price down almost 13% to end the day. Okay, that's Bloomberg's Stephanie Hughes reporting live for us. Stephanie, thanks so much for that.